Good morning student, myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. In last video we had solved some question from exercise 3.1. Today also we will continue with this exercise. So here we have question number 3. Write the numeral for each of the following according to International Number System. Also separate the periods with commas. So here we have question 351,077,040. So first we have to write the numbers, then we will separate them. Okay. So first we will write 351 million. So this we will write like this, 351. Okay. Then 77,000. 77,000. Here we have 77,000, and you know very well 1000 consists of 3 places. 1,000, 10,000, then 100,000. Okay, so 1000 consists of 3 places. So here we have 77,000. 77,000. So how this we will write in 10,000 we will write 17, and in 1,000 we will write 17. Okay, and for 100,000 we don't have any value, so we will write here 0. Okay, so this will be like this, 0 7 7. Okay, now we have left 40, and this is a part of ones period. So you know very well ones period also has 3 place: ones, tens, 100, and here we have 40. Okay, how will write 40? 0 will write in ones place, 4 will write in tens place. Okay, so for 100 place we don't have any value, so we'll write here 0. So we can keep 0 4 0. Okay, this is what 351,077,040. Okay, so this is how we can write this numeral. Okay, now we have to separate them according to their period. So ones, tens, 100, comma, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, comma. Okay, so this is how we can separate. So answer is, here you can see ones, tens, 100, comma, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, comma, million, 10 million, 100 million. So this is 77,040. Here this will be 7, not 1. $77,040. Clear? Same way this one also we have to write 168 million. 168 million 40,068. So this will be 168 million 40,000. Just now I explain you here. Same way here also we'll write 40, and before that we'll give 0, then 68. Okay, now after writing we supposed to give the comma, then ones, tens, 100, comma, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, comma. This is the answer. Okay, now here we have question number 4. Write the following numbers in Indian system and international system. So we have to use both the system, and we have to write the name of the given numeral. Okay, so first Indian system. First, according to Indian system, we will separate them. Okay, so ones, tens, 100, comma, then 1,000, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, so this is what, this is 48 lakh. 48 lakh, then 32,000, 32,000, then 712. This is according to Indian system. Now according to international system. So ones, tens, 100, comma, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, comma, and million. Okay, so this will be 4,832,000. Okay, 712. Clear? So this is how we can write. Now come to this chart. This is comparison chart between Indian and international place value system. Okay, Indian and place value system. So you can see in upside we have Indian place value system and downside we have international place value system. Okay, so now we are going to compare. So ones is equal to ones in both the system. Okay, tens is equal to tens in both the system. Same way 100 is equal to 100, 1000 is equal to 1000, 10,000 is equal to 10,000. Okay, now 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. Okay, 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. Clear? Same way 10 lakh is equal to 1 million, 10 lakh is equal to 1 million. Now 1 crore is equal to 10 million, 1 crore is equal to 10 million. Now 10 crore is equal to 100 million, 10 crore is equal to 100 million. Okay, so this is how we can compare. Using this chart we have to solve the next question. So here we have question number 4. Fill in the blanks. 1 lakh is equal to dash thousand. So clearly you can see here we have 1 lakh and 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. Okay, so here will be 100. Clear? Now come to the second number. 1 crore is equal to how many millions? So clearly you can see 1 crore is equal to 10 millions. Okay, 1 crore is equal to 10 millions. Okay, so here will be 10. Okay, the next 1 million equal to how many lakh? 1 million equal to how many lakhs? So 1 million here we have, and how many lakh? 10 lakh. Okay, how many lakh? 10 lakh, because 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. Okay, now next 100 crores is equal to how many million? 100 crores is equal to how many million? So here you can see we have 10 crore only, but when we increase the place value chart this side, so this is what, this is 10 crore, this will be what, 100 crore. Okay, this will be what, 100 crore. Same way to equalize with international place value system, here also we need to increase. Now here we have 100 million, so this will be 1000 million. Okay, this will be 1000 million, and 1000 million is equal to 1 billion. Here the question is 100 crore is equal to dash million. So here clearly you can see 100 crore is equal to 1000 million. Okay, 1000 million. Clear? So here will be 1000 million. Okay, now come to this question. 1000 crore is equal to dash billion. Dash billion. As I already told you, 1000 million is equal to 1 billion. Okay, 1 billion, and here we have 100 crore. Okay, 100 crore. When we move further by one step, then this will be 1000 crore. This will be 1000 crore, because this is what, this is 100 crore, so this will be 1000 crore. And when we equalize with international place value system, then if this is 1 billion, then this will be what, when we increase this side, this will be 10 billion. Okay, this will be 10 billion, because this is 1 billion, then this will be 10 billion. Okay, you know very well, after million, billions periods comes. Okay, so 1000 crore is equal to 10 billion. So here what will be the answer? 1000 crore is equal to 10 billion. Okay, and the last question, 1000 million is equal to, it's very simple, 1000 million equal to 1 billion. Okay, so here we have to write 1. Clear? So this is how we can use the chart to solve this type of question. So children, today whatever I have discussed with you, I hope each and everything is clear to you. Thank you.